haven't imagined when we started SpinetiX 20 years ago that it would be so long and so quick at the same time. We started in an industry we didn't know anything about, where there were a lot of problems of reliability, and now we're in a business which is inspiring people, which is helping people, take advantage of all the technologies around and put people in the middle, and that is what I like. Digital signage is an evolving industry, needs are evolving, and we felt the need a few years ago to think about beyond the CMS and the application and more about infrastructure. And we realized that our customers, they don't want to take care about security themselves or maintenance, but these are important for them. So it was natural for us to thinking, how can we offer a service to our customers so that we take care and we remove the risk of maintenance, scalability, security, cybersecurity, compliance from them. And that is what pushed us to think about Digital Signage as a service, DSaaS. We launched it last year, but we are working on it since many years. And it's successful. It's successful because we are really helping our customer system integrators to concentrate on what is important for them and for their customer, and they trust us and they delegate to us all the rest. I think digital signage is an industry that requires everyone to be open. And I have to say, many people, when they look at our solution, think we are closed, we are proprietary, which is absolutely not true. But we are focused. We work on what we do very well, but we really design our solution to be open to partners, because we are at the cornerstone of so many technologies. And if you are not contributing professionally to your role, but at the same time, if you are not open working with the other technologies, then you are not going to be successful. And I think SpinetiX really succeeded to provide a solution which is reliable, trustful. I mean, people trust it, and but at the same time open to others. And this for me is very special, because alone you can go quick, but together you go far away, and that is what motivates us and the team.